Hi.
Hi. Welcome to what we are calling our epic adventure. We have been planning this trip for quite a while. Originally we were supposed to be in Europe, but COVID changed all of that. So we are currently spending 5 weeks traveling from Seattle to Denver.
With lots of places in between.
Yes, we're traveling down the
Pacific Coast Highway.
To LA. And then from there we will see your doctor again for your eye, then go to Vegas, and then from there to Utah, where we're going to do a very ambitious 5 parks in 5 days.
Wish us luck.
And then from there we are going to celebrate our wedding anniversary in Colorado before flying home. So a total of 34 days, and we want you to come with us.
So join and subscribe and come join the journey.
We left Naples, Florida, and flew into Seattle, Washington, where our daughter and her boyfriend joined us for a few days to explore Mount Rainier National Park.
What were those birds called? Stella Jays. But is there such thing as a blue cardinal?
Yes.
Wow. Hey.
Hi.
Ugh.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Incredible, huh?
Breathtaking. It's the return journey I'm more worried about. Getting down is not a problem. Getting back up is probably a bit more tricky. Are you loving this?
I love this.
This is our first national park.
All right, say cheese.
How cool would it be if you were looking through the binoculars and you saw a little mini avalanche? I'm not talking about a major one where people are hurt. A little sprinkling.
Want me to go climb up that piece and make
no,
it happen?
You good. You good.
After a wonderful few days with our daughter, we said goodbye and drove to the coast to get onto the Pacific Coast Highway and officially start our road trip.
How yummy would clam chowder be? Because it's nice and cold. I mean, the clam chowder can be hot. It's cold. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I think I understood that. How do you pronounce that?
Anemone.
Anemone?
Anemone.
Oh,
And then look, no.
What?
They're called anemones.
They're not our enemies. So she said that the water goes up to those barnacles over there, so all this is underwater by several feet.
Look,
look around, see where the dark line is?
Yeah.
The tide comes all the way up there, so all this is underwater.
So that's how all this stuff gets to grow.
It's just beautiful.
So how many feet do you think that Haystack Rock is? We're gonna do a guess.
Oh, that is a great question. Okay, so I went up.
No, just you have to give a number. I'm gonna say that is 312 feet. That's my guess.
I think that's about spot on.
Well, you can't take the same number as me.
All right then. I'll go with 321.
All right, I say three. What did I
Because
say?
I know how high I put the
312.
drone up.
Ah, you have an advantage.
Yeah, I do.
All right, I'm sticking to my guns. What did I say? 312.
Yeah, you want me to look it up now? How high is Haystack Rock?
235 feet.
Oh!
According to Cannon Beach, Haystack Rock is one of Oregon's most recognizable landmarks, home to colorful tide pools and diverse bird life. It rises 235 feet from the edge of the shoreline.
Beautiful. Beautiful. I love it.
Tillamook Creamery is where they famously make cheese and delicious ice cream. We were able to see the production line, but because of COVID, the samples were not available for tasting.
I'm thinking of you, Kenny, with this. But Nikki would kill me. I'm thinking of you too, Nikki.
The beach, you can see it's cobblestones instead of sand. These are natural, and they can also knock you on your sitter. So watch your footing as you go across. When you get down to the Tidepools, you want to stay on the raised, exposed rock, but also avoid stepping on the beds of California mussels that also share that space out there. In the pools and the channels, we ask you to stay out of the channels as much as possible, but you can reach in and touch things that you see down there if you like. So just gently with one or two fingers like this, you can touch sea stars and urchins and things. Just don't pick up anything.
Sure.
And then we do have wildlife protection signs at points along the beach, those yellow tent signs. Don't go past those for protection of our harbor.
This is Driftwood Beach, and there's not as much driftwood on it as I thought there was going to be. I was going to fly the drone over the dramatic driftwood, but... By the way, these chocolates are the best things I ever put on my feet. Not sponsored. Oh, that's good. How do we pronounce it? Yachats. Not Yachats. Absolutely phenomenal.
Phenomenal. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. Phenomenal.
So we'll go for the whole day. Whew. Look at that, waves crashing.
Now, good place to go and have lunch around here. Lunacy, if you like fish. is on the next block at the end. And
That was the best one yet.
Really?
So far.
Wow, I better have a try of that then.
Is it good?
I shouldn't eat this, but yum.
The best clam chowder we have yet.
It's good. Here, try some scallop. We've got all this mist coming in. Gosh, it feels like it's just dropped 10 degrees since we were in there. We're having daily clam chowder.
In 3/4 of a mile, arrive at Cape Perpetua Visitor Center on the left.
Just wow.
That building right there, constructed in 1934 and 35. This building right here. Wow.